From the Bible to the Quran, a revelation in Jerusalem. Shalom, salam alaikum. You can see Christian, Jews and Muslims living together and praying amen. Let's give thanks and praises. Baruch atah Adonai, Baruch Abba Yerushalayim, Baruch atah Adonai, Baruch Abba Yerushalayim. Jerusalem, here I am. Jerusalem, je t'aime.